When we talk about persons with disability, tunapatikana kwa vulnerable, tunapatikana kwa marginalized, tunapatikana kwa women, tunapatikana, so we are triple, double, marginalized, yani tunakuwa kwa threat mara nyingi kwa sababu tumepatikana kwa watu wote. So when kama ni mwanamke anadhurumika, mwanamke mlemavu anadhurumika zaidi. Kama ni mtu anaishi na ulemavu anadhurumika, kama ni mtu wa kawaida anadhurumika, mtu anaishi na ulemavu anadhurumika zaidi. So wakati wote tumekuwa tukidefend rights for persons with disability, tunaona ni kwamba kitu kinacholeta shida zaidi ni stigma and discrimination.
Today we are proud to be gathered in Nairobi, bringing together more than 150 human rights defenders from across all the counties in Kenya. And we are here for what we call the Human Rights Defenders Academy. And this is the 9th. We've been holding these academies every year. The value of these academies is to ensure that human rights defenders who are at the front line defending different kinds of human rights, governance issues, dealing with issues of corruption, dealing with issues of violations of women's rights, but even generally about the environment. So we come and equip ourselves with skills on how to be able to operate within the Constitution and the laws of Kenya. But above all, to stand in solidarity with each other. You'll agree with me that in Kenya we have gone through a very challenging time with regards to governance issues, challenging time in terms of how we feel the cost of living is driving our people. But even that, we also notice that a lot of women have lost their lives in the hands of people that are close to them. So the people that defend those rights and call for justice and for accountability, sometimes they have to sit back and also ask themselves, how can we do better? How can we get our societies much more improved? So we are proud that we have gathered men, women, activists at the front line, young people that you call Gen Zs, but also women human rights defenders that are the front line. So we hope that together we are going to challenge the different violations that are taking place, but above all, we are going to empower them to continue working harder and harder. So we really want to believe that every Kenyan has a duty and a responsibility to defend the Constitution, to defend the law, but as a good citizen, then you have to question the leaders that we have in power so that they don't abuse the law and the Constitution.